So Christmas is right around the corner.
So here we are giving you a list of ideas which you can gift your loved ones.
And the best part is they are all under 500.
So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So first we have this very cute hairband. So this is just an example and you will get tons of other hairband in the market. These are super inexpensive, like 50 to 100 bucks a pop, and you'll get it everywhere. And it's super trendy.
Where did you get this from?
This one I got it from a shop nearby, I think. It's super cute, isn't
Super
it?
pretty and
Yay.
cute.
Next up is you.
Next up, I have a candle. I got this from IKEA because it has a sweet vanilla scent and I love candles. It's a great thing to gift and it smells awesome.
Let me smell it. It is actually amazing. I can't wait to light it up. Can I light it up? I like it.
And guys, I know we don't have IKEA everywhere, so you can get this anywhere like in Archie's or Home Center, so it won't be a problem.
Next up, this is the best gift you can give to any book lover. Not just this, it can be any book. So I am a book lover and if she gave me this, I would have been super happy. These come under 500 easily and you can always get them. If you're in Calcutta, you can get them from College Street. You will get a ton of discount. Also, there is Star Mark and there's Crossword and there are a whole lot of places. So do give a book this Christmas to your loved one.
So next up, we have this cute pair of earrings. I don't think you can see it from here.
We'll give a zoom up after this.
Yeah, it's super cute. It's a reindeer apt for Christmas and it's super inexpensive too. It's around 300 bucks, I think.
I can't even steal them from her. They are super cute. They're like super cute. You can actually give it to anyone, any girl or anyone who actually likes it.
And jewelry, you can get this in any jewelry store near you. So Aishwarya, what's next?
So next up we have an item which is super essential to all of us. Our phones need to get dressed up for the Christmas as well. So this one is really cute. I got it for 250 bucks from Bewakoof. If you have a Bewakoof membership, then you'll get an additional 10% off. So you can get this anywhere, but then yeah, Bewakoof is amazing. You have to check it out. What do you have next?
Next up, I have this cute lip balm from Laneige. It's their lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry. It's a super great mask and it has a very thick texture which is great for winters too. It's around 450 bucks, so it's in limits.
I think that's a pretty reasonable price for such a great sleeping mask. I think you should all get this. So guys, next up is something which your skin will love. Here I have with me a set of sheet masks. Now these come in great offers. If you're buying them from Nykaa, you usually get 10 for 500 bucks, so 50 a piece. They are super nourishing and they come in different flavors too. Which one is your favorite?
Is the shea butter one.
Ooh, I love the blueberry one. Blueberry cheesecake, blueberry mask. Life is so
And
good.
after finishing this, we are going to use this.
Yeah,
Isn't
they're
it?
definitely going to use. Our skin needs it. Christmas prep, guys! Yay!
So next up, I have this set of pillow covers. These are super bright and cute, and it's going to look great.
You can get
For
the tiny
Christmas.
pillows. Yeah.
And these two come in sets. I got the whole set for around 250.
That's super cheap.
Which is a deal.
Steel deal. And the colors, they are so bright. I
It's
think
going to look great around your Christmas tree when you're going to decorate it all with all these things.
I'm sure it will. Okay, so
So
what do I
what's
have
next?
Jinx. So next up is one of my favorite items. It's her favorite item too because we both got a hell lot of them from the Black Friday sales, right? Yeah. Yes. So I have with me the frosted coconut snowball.
This one is my favorite.
Yeah. So this one is amazing, guys. So this one from Bath and Body Works, and there are few others as well, like Thousand Wishes. It's superb. So what was the offer, Anisha?
It was buy two, get two. They had this Black Friday sale going on wherein we got 4 fragrances.
So 4 for like we got 650 a piece after discount. So that is a steal deal because these perfumes are super long lasting and they're really good and very mild. Isn't it? We got matching stuff. We got this too. Okay, so what do you have?
I have this cute coffee mug which has a mirror lid. It's super cute.
That's fancy.
And I got this from Danube. It's in Hyderabad. But then if you have Danube around you, you can get this. Or else you can get it from Home Center or any other store.
Yeah, home centers are like mostly
all
everywhere.
outside.
Yeah, so you can get it
Super
there.
cute, white in color, and it says never give up.
So
So we should follow.
Yeah, we should definitely follow. Never gives up, guys.
And it was around 275 or 280, which is like a good for a coffee.
You can give this to anyone at any point of time, actually, not just
Yeah.
Christmas. Okay, so next is me. So next up is something which I got as a Christmas gift last Christmas from my secret Santa. I still don't know who that person is, but I did get this super cute bag, and it's from Miniso. So I did look
Who
into
has
it.
seen this? Yeah.
We have seen this in Miniso, right? These are like 500 a piece, and they have pretty good storage for your phone and maybe your sanitizer right now.
Purse also.
Yeah, for a
Yeah.
purse as well. So it's really cute. I love the color and the quality is really good. I have been using this for a year. Would you like even tell? I don't think so.
It's really nice, and the quality is also good.
Yeah,
It's quite sturdy.
it's quite sturdy and it comes in a lot of colors. This one, pink, is my favorite color. Those who follow me do know that, and she knows it too. So pink is really cute. You can get this from Miniso, and I think it's available on Amazon as well. So yay! Next up is you.
Yeah, even I have a Miniso bag. Actually, I got this couple of weeks ago, and this is a makeup bag because I'm going home and I have to carry all my makeup stuff. So I got this. It's quite a big one. It's for 150 only.
150.
Yeah,
You don't get
it's
anything.
quite
150.
inexpensive.
Yay!
And Miniso is super cute.
Yeah.
And Miniso has super cute bags, guys, and they all stuff are cute.
Yeah, and most Miniso stuff are available on Amazon because I personally bought a hell lot of stuff from Amazon instead of Miniso. So you will get it there, and this is super spacious also. You can just view it and all. This is super spacious, and yeah, it has a lot of space. So last few items.
What's next?
Next up is something I found really adorable from this online store called Blink. So it was a startup like 2 years back. Now they're doing really good. This one is super cute. It's half a moon and it looks really nice and dainty. It's big but it is super light. Super light.
I'm going to make this. Buns.
I'm going to steal your reindeer earrings. You're going to steal mine.
Yeah.
Yay.
We have a DJ.
So do you have anything from jewelry?
Actually, I have one. This cute chain I got from a local store. It's a layered chain, super inexpensive and totally in trend right now.
Right.
And it comes with this cute gift bag, I think.
I think you can gift it to anyone.
Yeah.
And you can layer it up with this particular top or any top
Any
to be
top,
precise. Yeah.
It was around 300, 350 and I got it from a local jewelry store. You can get it from here. So next up we have girls' favorite stuff, which is
Yes. So she has a few, I have a few. Let me show mine first. These cute mini lipsticks come in a set of 4 and you will get it from Sugar. They usually come for around 600 or if you shop more than 1000 bucks I think, you will get this complimentary. So you have like 4 shades here. So my favorite one is Tan Fan. So it's almost over. I have lost the keys as well. But then it's a really good gift set. And what do you have?
I had this Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Lip Color. These are matte lipstick and inexpensive too. I got it from Amazon, like in 349 I guess.
That's really cheap. I think you're wearing one too.
Yeah, and the colors are super pretty and long lasting.
And they don't make your lip dry. So that's a win-win situation.
So with this, we have come to an end of our gift suggestion video. I hope you liked it.
And I hope you got plenty of gift ideas because we have given you like almost 13, 14, 15 ideas and they are all under 500, all easily available on I think Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, everywhere. So you can just get them.
Also, we'll link some websites where you can find these items easily.
Yeah, I can give you guys 5 links. You can give them in the bio, and it will all be easy for you guys to find it. Because Christmas is in like a week's time, maybe a little more than a week, but then yeah, it's right around the corner, and you guys have to get the gifts for those amazing people who you all love. Like we got it for each other and for our families as well.
If you liked our video, if you did, give it a heart reaction maybe. And also comment which was your favorite.
Yes, and if you have other ideas or other videos which you want us, yeah, if you want us to do it, we would be more than happy to. We both love doing this. So till then, bye bye.